In this video, I will show you how to convert an image to a PDF file. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, as you can see, I've got an image on my desktop here, and this is one we're going to be using to convert to a PDF file. Now you can do this with any kind of image, whether that's a screenshot or an image you've downloaded. For my example, mine is just one of my YouTube thumbnails. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up a web browser, come across to google.com and log into your Google account. Now once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you want to click onto these dots up here where it says Google Apps. And what that's going to do is bring up some different Google apps. From here, you want to look for Google Docs. So if you just scroll down, it looks like this, called Docs. Give that a click. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now from here, click onto blank document. That should be at the top. And once the blank document has loaded through, come up to the top, click onto insert, and then hover over image. What you want to do is click onto upload from computer and find the image on your computer. So mine was on my desktop, so I'm going to click desktop and then select my image here and then click onto open. So now as you can see, we've added the image to this document. What you want to do first is click to highlight, come down to the bottom and click onto wrap text, and this is going to allow you to move the image and resize it to your liking. Now once you're happy with everything, come up to the top left hand corner, click onto file, then what you want to do is hover over download, and you're going to see the option to download as a PDF document. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is download your image as a PDF. So if we click this now, you can see it's going to open as a PDF file. So that's how to convert a image to PDF. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.